What is the perfect dry flush toilet? Well, the answer depends entirely on how you plan to use it. Today, we're breaking down our two most popular models, the ultra-portable Modiwell 310 and the modification-ready fixed install Modiwell 1808. If you are building out a permanent RV converting a van, or just need a solution for weekend trips, this comparison will help you decide which one is right for your unique van life or off-grid setup. Let's start with the Modiwell 310. This is our workhorse for maximum mobility. The key feature here is portability. It's lightweight, it has a simple carrying handle, and it's truly ready to go right out of the box. It runs on batteries, has no complex wiring, and is designed for quick deployment. Think of it as your premium camping toilet or your reliable option for a short-term truck or beach life setup. The simple one-touch operation makes it foolproof. This is ideal if you need to frequently move the toilet, maybe between a truck bed and a ground tent. Or if you are a truck driver who needs a quick sanitary solution. Who is this for? The 310 is for the casual camper, the weekend traveler, the tiny home user who needs flexibility, or anyone who values immediate hassle-free use. It is plug and play. The 310 is for the casual camper, the weekend traveler, a tiny home user who needs flexibility, or anyone who values immediate, hassle-free use. It is plug and play. Now, let's move to the Modiwell 1808. This is our heavy-duty permanent solution. The 18808 is designed for fixed installation. It offers a more robust, residential feel crucial. If you're doing a custom RV modification or a van build, while it can run on battery, its real advantage is its ability to be wired directly into your system, providing stable power without frequent battery swaps. Builders love the 1808 because its shape and footprint are easier to integrate seamlessly into cabinets and enclosed spaces, creating that high-end, finished look in your camper van. Who is this for? The 1808 is for the serious DIY builder, the van build expert, or the boat life enthusiast. If you want a toilet that looks and acts like a permanent fixture and will stay in the same place for years, the 1808 is your choice. So 310 versus 1808. Here's the simple rule. Need mobility. Choose the 310. It's light, simple, and the ultimate portable toilet. Need permanence and integration. Choose the 1808. It is the professional solution for your RV modification or custom home build. Whichever you choose, you are getting the reliable, odorless dry flush technology that eliminates the black tank headache. Find direct links to both the Modiwell 310 and the Modiwell 1808 in the description below, along with all the specifications and accessories. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more dry flush toilet reviews and van life tips. See you in the next one.